welcome to my channel today. I'm Tara with Pieces of Tara Artistry. Thank you for joining me. So today I am going to be sharing with you guys the raffle giveaway piece that I made for the gala dinner that will be happening while we are at the Fluid Art Experience, April 27th through 29th. The gala dinner is a really fun time. There's question and answers, dinner, we do a raffle, and so all of the artists that are involved in this event will be presenting a piece that they have made, and you guys get to take home if you win the raffle. So that is the piece that I am going to be sharing with you guys today. Don't forget, Fluid Art Experience is coming up in about a week and a half. So excited. So go ahead and head over to fluidartexperience.com. If you have not gotten tickets yet, you still can. There are still some availability in some of the classes. So I really hope that you guys can join us. There's also a meet and greet that you can get tickets to. There's free events, the gala dinner. So definitely check out the website to get more information on that. And it will be at the Seattle Renaissance Hotel in downtown Seattle. So pretty exciting. So, okay, guys, I am going to let you watch this piece. Thank you again so much for being here. And if you like what you're seeing, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. All right, y'all, let's get to the painting.
Okay guys, so I am going to be doing a bloom blowout here. This is a 20 by 20 canvas, and I have been kind of experimenting with this size canvas. So this actually was still an experience. Big goober there, gross. I was at the bottom of my paint can, so I tend to get more goobers when I'm at the bottom of my paint can. But I have been I've been experimenting with the amount of paint necessary on these canvases because I don't want to waste paint, but I want to have enough paint on there so that I get the composition that I want. So on this one, I wish I had put more paint down. I probably needed, I didn't need more, but I feel like when I blew this one out, that if I had had more paint on the canvas, if I'd had like more of a pillow, I would have gotten more cells like extending out. Now this one, I really love it because it's got that really pretty watercolor effect in a lot of places that I love. I really do. I think it's super beautiful with these paints, but I wish I had a little bit more cells. So, you know, it's kind of a live and learn kind of situation, and I've been doing a lot of experimenting and playing around, and so I basically tried to, and another thing in this one, I used a lot of paints. Probably didn't need all these paints, but I had a lot that I had mixed up, and I just wanted to see how they all would go together. And another thing is I was testing out multiple hair dryers. So in a future, not too terribly distant future, video, I'm going to show you all of my new hair dryers. I bought, I'm going to say 4 new hair dryers because I love my Kiss Pro, but it isn't perfect for every application. So I am trying to figure out for different applications the best hair dryer or different techniques, because not every hair dryer is great for every technique. Sometimes you need a little bit more power and sometimes you need less. And depending on your paint consistencies, it really does depend on many factors. So I've really been kind of taking some time and really not, I mean, I've been doing a lot of videos, but probably not a lot of videos that you guys are gonna see. I don't know, some of them you'll see eventually, because I will put them out. But and I film everything I do just to see for myself how I did things, what my technique was, and maybe what I need to change. So in the future, you might get some more of these videos on, what to do, what not to do. But I really have been having fun kind of experimenting with these bloom blowouts where you get to, spin them. So this piece actually is for the Fluid Art Experience for the raffle giveaway, which if you aren't familiar with the Fluid Art Experience and what we do at the Fluid Art Experience is at the gala dinner, there's always kind of a question and answer session, and along with the dinner and drinks and cocktails. But there's also this fun raffle giveaway where they give away many, many prizes, gift baskets, and then also each artist that is involved in the Fluid Art Experience makes a piece and donates it to be raffled off at the gala dinner. So it's really fun. And for each class that you take, you get an additional raffle ticket. So say you take 6 classes, you get 6 tickets and 6 opportunities to win. If you take 2 classes, you get 2 tickets. But it's really a fun way to get involved and involve yourself in this super fun experience. It really is. It's a lot of fun for the teachers, but it's also like such a fun time to hang out with the students, really have some really personal conversations with people. I mean, not too personal, but like, get to have some one-on-one conversations. And it's really, it's probably one of my favorite parts of this whole event is the meet and greet, which we get to have cocktails and, really talk to the students. And then the gala dinner, the same thing. We get to mingle with you guys and really have some good conversations, see where you guys are coming from, you see where we're coming from, and in our journey. So, and you can ask us any questions that you want. So it really is a fun time. So anyways, back to the this bloom blowout. I thought it was really pretty. I love these colors. It's funny because I got a lot of cells like right in the dead center, and then some cells on the edges, but kind of some of this like watercolor effect in the middle. So, and I like that it is off center a little bit, and it's not like a dead center composition. I like this off center bloom kind of look. So I really, I loved the composition on this one. It was sent out, I think it was yesterday or the day before, to Seattle, to our dear friend, Crafty Chicken Mom, who is been so willing to fill her garage full of our stuff. And so, thank you so much to Amy for doing that for us. So yeah, this is really, I think this one turned out really pretty. You see, I'm just kind of addressing my corners here because I didn't have enough paint that was rolling over the edges, and I want to make sure that the edges are taken care of. I didn't need to spin a lot more here, but I feel like it definitely needed, I mean, obviously those corners needed to be addressed and spun out. So yeah, I really had fun with this one. I am going to let you guys continue watching this. I'm going to add some music. Thank you so much for being here. If you can't join us for the fluid art experience, I mean, that's fine. We love you. We still love you. And we hope that maybe you can join us for another event further down the road. POURCON is happening in Las Vegas this summer. I think it's August 6th through 9th or 10th. I can't remember right now. But I will be there also. There will be 22 different artists there. So that's another opportunity to be with us. But yeah, any opportunity to be with you guys, the students, and fellow artists is so fun. So thank you guys again for being here. Thanks for watching. And I am going to let you continue watching the rest of this. You'll see some wet and dry results, and that's it. So, all right, guys, thank you again, and I will talk to you soon.